turn. Get out of the funeral. Thank you. Let's go. All right, I'm about to roll with the Ford Expedition. Okay, I need you out of the funeral. Out of the funeral. Let's go. Keep it moving. The last car. Rolling with the last car. Do you want me to stay with the last car or move up? Got it. Jess is coming up to the light. Go ahead, guys. Hold on. Okay, I have a jumper in the funeral. You turn. Get out of the funeral. Let's go. Jess is rolling with the expedition. Go ahead, Flacco. That's the last car, the expedition. Jess is rolling. Go ahead. Jess has the light. Keep it going. Jess is rolling with the last vehicle. Tahoe rolling. I'm coming up. I see it. I'm gonna go around this expedition. Got it. Jess is about to roll with the last vehicle. Okay. Got it. Jess is rolling with the last vehicle. Jess is coming up to the light behind the motor. All right. I got it. Jess is rolling with the last car. All right, go ahead, Wacko, go. I got it. Jess is parallel with the last vehicle. Jess is rolling with the last vehicle. I have County behind me on the bike. You're an ass. Jay, I need to pass you. I'm coming up to you. Go ahead. Tell your fucking sergeant to move, bastard. I won't. It's an Acura. Keep it going. Jess is rolling with the last car. Move. And he's following us. So I'm going to stay parallel with the last car. Dog is... What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a funeral going on. He's right behind me. Jess is coming up. He's pulling me over. The cop. Oh my God. He's the same fucking one. Oh, the one.
That is an air horn and a siren. That is not a horn. You're not allowed to use it as a siren to clear roadways.
He was interfering with the funeral.
Okay.
Jay, they're both on me. A sheriff and the sergeant. Can I get out for 1 second?
No, you can finish what you're doing, but I'm telling you that is not a horn.
Oh, can you give me 1 second, sir?
And I will be discussing with Jeremy later.
Yes, sir. Can you give me 1 second? It is on. It is on. Give me 1 second, sir. I'm just going to step out, okay?
You have a license on you?
Yes, sir, I do have a license on me, but you cannot have it. Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did, because that is not a horn. That is a siren.
Give me 1 second.
Can I see your driver's license?
Give me 1 second. Hi, sir. How are you?
Stand where you are.
Yes, sir. Okay. How can I help you?
You really want to go there?
No, I just said, how can I help you? The last car is rolling, sir. The last car is a Regal Acura.
Can I see your driver's license?
Not yet, sir. Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did.
Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did.
Okay, what crime did I commit? Under what statute of crime did I commit, sir?
What happened, Sergeant? We were under funeral escort. What happened, Sergeant? We were under funeral escort.
Guys, you keep going. Keep doing the funeral. I can't give you my license,
I'm going to ask you for your phone. I'm going to ask you for your license one more time.
Give me 1 second.
I'm going to ask you
Give me
for your
1 second.
license
I'm going to hang up my phone, okay? I'm not reaching for anything. I'm going to hang up my phone, okay? I need an okay from you to hang up my phone.
Hold on, okay. Jess, I need you. Hold on.
But I don't want him to think I'm reaching for anything.
You can leave.
Go ahead and give him your license.
You can
right
leave.
now.
You can leave.
I'm on this Escort too.
And it's right over there.
Yeah, unfortunately you're building my motor. So,
No, I'm not stopping you. I'm stopping her.
I understand.
Go over there.
Can I get out of traffic?
Driver's
Move out of
license.
traffic.
I'm going to let you go in 2 seconds if you give me your driver's
It's
license.
E4.
No, ma'am.
Just give him your driver's license. Please, do it now. I understand.
What crime did I commit?
Just pull
Okay.
out your license. Let's find out the status. Just
Okay,
do what you're
got it. I am. Don't rush me.
I know.
We're all on the government's time right now.
Calm down. Calm down.
May I ask why I have to give you my license?
Because you committed a violation of Florida state
I'll
statute.
take care of it.
You still live in
Yes,
Lakeland.
sir, I do. That's
Hi,
everything
Ms.
is
Bolden.
correct.
You're receiving a citation in the mail for improper use of your horn.
Thank you,
We're
sir.
under funeral escort. We're
Doesn't matter.
legally allowed.
It doesn't give you
That is where you are
authorization.
incorrect.
No, it does not give you authorization.
Go ahead,
to
get
use
in the
siren.
car. Go.
It gives you authorization
We're not using
to
a
use
siren.
purple and yellow.
We're not using a siren. She's using an air horn.
Evidence? You want me to take it out of your car as evidence? It is an air horn.
Thank you. Not a problem.
Oh, now we can pull out.
Have a good day.
Yep,
Ride
you too.
safe.
Be safe on your motorcycle, sir. Have a great day.
Get a seatbelt too. You'll get in that one too.
Yes, sir, I will. Have a great day. God bless you.
Jess, just go.
Fucking jerk. fucking bothering me. I don't know the funeral is. What?
Oh, you can't hear it. I used my air horn right in front of him on the camera.
He pissed me off. I was gonna let him have it. I'm gonna turn the camera off.
That's your body cam, sure.
Oh my, he's like, you'll get a seatbelt citation. Go fuck yourself, officer.
Oh, he said seatbelt?
Yeah.
And it's not even the air horn now.
It's both.
Fuck that shit.
Alright. I'm at the light. What's the last car? I don't even know what the last car is. Alright, Jess is rolling. Wacko, go ahead. I got the light. Alright, I have people jumping into the funeral, so give me 1 second. Nope, I need you to stay. I need you to stay. No, you guys cannot go yet. It's a funeral going on. You need to move. You get out of the funeral. Goodbye. Okay, hit my car. Go ahead. Let's go. Jess is still here waiting on the last vehicle. I'm rolling with the old Buick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it. Just Tahoe's rolling.